Some of these roller skating hacks can save you money, some can make your skates feel better, and one might stop you from replacing your toe stops too early. So let's get into 5 roller skating hacks that you wish you knew sooner. Hey, I'm Tracy. I'm from Suns Out Skates Out, and I teach adults how to roller skate through my in-person classes and my online program. I also have a free beginner workshop, which is linked down below if you'd like to check that out. These little hacks are ones that I've picked up through years of skating and coaching that students are always surprised by. Let's start with the one that could save you money on new toe stops. Hack number 1, if your toe stops are getting worn down, don't rush out and buy new ones. Just swap them around. A lot of the time, one wears out much faster than the other, especially on your dominant side from stopping. So by just rotating them around, you can get a lot more life out of your toe stops and save you money on them too. So let me show you what I mean. See how this one is more worn out than this one? So instead of replacing them, just swap them around. Hack number 2, this next one, if you're brand new or feeling nervous, for some beginners, slightly tightening your wheels can help your skates feel a little less fast and you can have a little bit more control while you build your confidence. I'm not talking about cranking them down so the wheels barely spin, just a temporary little adjustment while you get comfortable and find your balance. Then as your confidence grows, loosen them back so your wheels can spin freely again. And let me show you how to do that. I'd only make really small adjustments here. Even a quarter turn can change how your wheels feel. And I'd use this as a temporary confidence hack, not a permanent setup. Hack number 3, let your skates breathe. This one gets overlooked all the time after a skate session. Don't just throw your skates straight into a bag and zip them up. Let them breathe, loosen the laces, let the liners dry out, because trapped moisture can lead to smells and your boots just won't stay as fresh. A simple little habit like airing your skates out after a skate session can help your gear last so much longer. And if you've got a skate leash, use it. They're great for carrying skates and handy for letting them air out too. And this is exactly how I carry all of my skates before and after a skate session. It's also pretty handy because when you get home, you can just hang your skates up as they are. Hack number 4, keep baby wipes in your skate bag. This is a really simple one. Keep a pack of water-based baby wipes in your skate bag. They're great for wiping down protective gear, cleaning off any dirt or marks off your boots, and even giving your wheels a quick clean when they need it. Just make sure you use water wipes rather than soapy wipes. I highly suggest keeping anything slippery off the wheel surface. And if you're wiping your wheels, just avoid getting your bearings wet or damp. We don't want any water around them, and definitely don't soak anything. This is one of those little skate bag essentials that you will use more often than you think. And hack number 5 is one people often forget to do, and it's wash your protective gear. If your pads are getting a bit sweaty, give them a clean. A lot of people clean their skates, but they forget about their protective gear that they're sweating in. And I personally like adding a few drops of essential oil to give it an extra fresh smell. It's such a simple little thing, but keeping your gear fresh just makes you more likely to wear it. And just a little tip before you wash your gear, make sure all the Velcro is fastened together so it doesn't catch on anything. Wash on cold or a lukewarm cycle. I like adding a few drops of essential oil into the detergent and then letting everything air dry. And I would not recommend putting your pads in the dryer. So if you took one hack away from this video, which one will you try? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new to skating, don't forget I've got a free beginner workshop, which is linked down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.